Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 7.5 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day in the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Love coming out of you makes you happy. The whole world can love you, but that is not what will make you happy. What will make you happy is to share the love you have inside of you. That is love. That will make the difference. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 135. Nasdaq is up 8. S&P's down 14. Gold contract flat at $16.50 an ounce. We have silver down 26 cents, $17.93 an ounce. Light sweet crude off $1.25, $48.66 a barrel. Notes and bonds. You get the 10-year up 3 ticks, trading 133.08. 30-year up 8 at 167.30. And King Dollar up 72 ticks, trade 99.04. The euro is at 108. The yen is at 110 rather, and the pound is at 129 to 1 the U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at it. What do you have? We pull the S&Ps up here. You get the SPY. The SPY had a good little bounce going, got up to $318.11, and then just gave it up in spades. And that's what you get in high volatile markets, folks. The bottom line is that what you can expect you're going to see out of this, longer term, if we take a look at this S&P, bottom line, it broke the trend that started on the 3rd of October. That trend started at 284. Bottom line, 284 is game. That's how this shakes out. You'll get a little support at the 307 number. Right now, you're at 311. The kicker here, however, is that you're only at Wednesday. You get a bad week coming into Thursday and Friday. I don't see any relief coming out of this, particularly because what you had happen out here today, and this is we've been in a market that absolutely dips could be bought for the last 10 years, and now what you're going to see when we put this E-mini chart up for the market in general, what you're going to see is that as the dippers went in there, the bottom line is that they just got taken apart. And that's serious business, because what you're going to see here is as we basically try to climb into this close, it's going to be a little tough close as we come into it. Right now, at, it looks like 1:40 in the afternoon. That's a high-volume low bar. So that high-volume low bar can get tested. It will get tested. The real question is it going to get tested as we come into the low today or not? Gold contract out here. We take a look at gold. Highly volatile also. All the markets are highly volatile. We got down to 1626. You rejected lower price. You're at 1649 right now. Bottom line, you very well could have another ABC structure on the way up. So it's going to be wild watching this one. Your B point on this is 1691. Your A point is down there at 1551. So you're talking about $140, which would get you up to, 1760. And, we'll see if how that's going to shake out. Notes and bonds, folks, bottom line is that the note and bond market, if you pay attention to anything, that's the market to pay attention to on a continual basis. It's been the most consistent market, meaning, and the aspect of where it wants to go. Once again, bottom line, we've broken all-time lows. And if you take a look at this, what you're going to see is that you're in a confirmed ABC structure on the way down. And that brings it to about zero rates. And, yeah, I understand zero is zero, and that sounds insane. Well, guess what? It's pretty insane that we actually just broke the lows that were established out here in 2016. So looks to me like we're going tremendously lower, not a small amount lower. And if we are in this ABC structure on the way down, well, we are in it. The real question is going to get us price projection. You go over and we take a look at the 30-year, you're going to see the 30-year is the same setup. The 30-year right now, I have it up right now. The 30-year is at 1.3222. Oh, no. Hold on one second. It can't be. I was going to say, that's really crazy. Let's see, 30-year. 30-year bond. Okay, here we go. Should be, 1.8. Okay, so we'll bring this up. This is all-time lows, too. We hit 1.785 today. Imagine lending money to the government for 30 years at 1.785. When you know that the Federal Reserve comes out every year and every meeting really saying that, hey, they are shooting for a 2% inflation deal, and we're slightly underneath it right now. So just year by year, this is saying, yes, you put your money in the Treasury, and the bottom line is that you'll be lucky if you just break even. You know, you can see this chart, man. This chart is like there's nothing underneath it, nothing. And this is a decisive break inside the 30. Under 1.90, I talk about this, you know, we've been talking about it the last 10 years when markets break topside. The further you get away from the break, the more probability is going to go a lot higher. Well, it's the same with the lows. I take out the low here, which we took out. That low, you know, we're talking about 1.90 or 1.81 right now. That, baby, bottom line, that sets up almost 30 years also. So if we get overseas and just take a look at that correlation, what you're going to see overseas, the rates keep getting more negative. France right now is at 0.2. Germany went to minus 0.5 today. It was minus 0.4 yesterday. Switzerland, that's been in negative forever. That's minus 0.8%. You get the Netherlands at minus 0.4. You get Sweden at minus 0.1. That just went negative today. Bottom line, negative rates, here we come. That's what this is all about. Oil, let's go take a look at the oil market. Oil, bottom line, actually had less of a build today, and they just took it apart. I mean, pretty amazing. We got down to 48.30. Right now, you're trading at 48.65, and guess what? You got an ABC down. Oh, baby. Yep, you sure do. Okay, so let's see this. Most conservative one would be approximately $60 to 50. Oh my God, it's a 10-point A to B. 44 bucks. Well, so we're at 48. 44 bucks coming at us. You get an ABC structure down inside the oil market. 44 bucks. Let me put this up in a generic chart and let's see where we are. So you stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Swing point. Next swing point is 42. That's where we're going. 42 bucks. Stay right there, folks. Come right back.